sorry for the toilet movement. It will stop in a few seconds, but I just wanted to show you guys this fidget that I just got today. It was supposed to be an unboxing video, but I was just so excited because I finally got it. And I forgot to tell you my first ever video that I was going to put when I was going to post videos. I'm not going to post every week because I haven't been posting that lately and I'm kind of busy. So I'm going to post, I decided, every Thursday and Friday. Every Thursday and Saturday. And if it doesn't come out on Saturday, that means I either have a soccer game, and if it's a short video, that means that, I just didn't have time to make a video. So, hope you enjoy the videos. And this is my fidget that I just got today. It's really cool. I ordered it on Amazon. So, hope you guys like the video, like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!